Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a collage on iPhone 16e. So there are several various methods of doing that, which are pretty different, but I think the best one is downloading Google Photos. You can get it from the App Store. I'm just gonna launch it. And I think I need to sign in with Google, so that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna enter the password off camera. Now I need to verify. Unfortunately, I'm gonna try another way because I don't have this Pixel phone near me. So okay, I'm gonna just try logging into a different account. Maybe this won't prompt me to do it. And yes, I'm in, so I'm gonna just click on get started. I'm gonna allow notifications, but it's all up to you. And now to make the collage, just need to click on the go to photos. I'm gonna click on continue, allow full access, then select the photos that you want to put in that collage. So choose whatever you want. And just press and hold on them to choose them. I'm gonna select these ones. You can select up to 6 photos, by the way. So I'm gonna select these photos even though they are not too pretty. Then click on add to, and now you can select collage. And now I'm gonna skip the tutorial. You can pinch the photo to zoom it in or zoom out. You can change the layout. You can swap the photos by dragging them. You can also click on them to edit or replace them. If you go to edit, then you can edit them, you can enhance them, you can do that manually. You can use tools, adjust some things like the contrast and so on. Then click on done. And this is the collage. I can now save it, and it's saved to my photos. I can also share it with the share button. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.